Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You're signed in and ready. Now start the import. On a computer, open Icloud. And choose Contacts. If using an iPhone, make sure Contact Sync is enabled in Settings your name iCloud. You need a VCF or CSV file exported from your source app. This preserves names, numbers, and labels. Once done, click the gear icon in Contacts on iCloud. And choose Import vCard. This first action places your file into iCloud, so you can verify fields next. After the file uploads, you need to map and merge. If you imported CSV, convert it to vCard. The Contacts app on Mac or a reliable converter preserves field mappings. Once vCard is in iCloud, iCloud detects duplicates. Use the merge option in Contacts to avoid creating separate entries. Make sure phone labels and email types matched correctly. Mislabeling breaks sorting and groups. If you see missing fields, edit one sample contact to confirm mapping, then apply fixes in bulk where possible. Finish by confirming sync across all your devices. You should see the new contacts on iPhone, iPad, and Mac within seconds to minutes. If not, force a refresh by toggling contacts off and on in iCloud settings, then choose Keep on my iPhone or Delete and resync based on your backup. If entries duplicate or fields are wrong, export iCloud contacts to a vCard, clean them in Contacts or a spreadsheet, then re-import. A single re-upload of a cleaned vCard usually resolves persistent issues.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.